Welcome to the Resairchia YouTube channel. In this video, we will continue with the Pythonian Physics and continue building our simulator. We will continue exactly at the same point as we left it last time. The first thing we will do is to convert the part that solves our system of equations and plots the results into a function. This is how you define functions in Python, and remember the indentation. The next step is to clean up a little bit. We will move all the imports to the beginning of the script. We will also change this line this way. After this change, we need to also change this line over here a little bit. We need to add tk dot, as you can see. Now we need to improve our GUI or interface a little bit, so it's a bit more user-friendly, and we have a place where we can write our equations. We will also need a button to launch our simulation. For doing so, I will add the following lines. First, the simulate button. We will have some text, and then the command will call our simulate function that we have defined before. We will use .grid to position our button. Don't worry too much about how you order the different widgets. We will care about it in future videos. The next thing we need to add is a text box where we will write our equations. Then we will position the text box in the grid as follows. We need to do it in two different lines to avoid errors. As you can see, we always simulate the same. We need something capable of understanding what we write. In other words, we need a parser. To do so, I will do as follows. First, I will comment the line with F to keep it for later. Then I will rewrite it as follows. This part tells the code that from our text box, we need to get from the first character to the end of it -1. This end command always adds a character, and therefore we need to remove it. Now the part with our solver. The function f is a string that we have gotten from our text box. So here's where we need to parse the value in a way that Python can interpret it. For doing so, we do eval. There are other options, but this one is simple enough and does the trick. Now let's run it and see what happens. I will copy the previous definition of f and paste it in our text box. As you can see, we have obtained the same results as before. Let's see if our parser works and we can write different equations. For instance, a sine instead of a cosine. As you can see, our parser is working. Try now leaving it empty. As you see, we get an error. We will take care of errors in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in future videos.